Let's take a look at these heavy-duty portable sawhorses from Prostormer. You get two of these all-metal 2,600 pound capacity monsters in the box, well packaged and fully assembled. When the legs are folded in, they take up very little space. And with these handles on top, they are easy to lift and carry. Here I'm dropping the leg out from underneath, and once out, you need to further open them apart. It's straightforward and easy to do. The height of each leg can be adjusted individually, and with labels over each index point, you can easily adjust the other legs to the exact same spot. The feet for each leg swivels to make perfect contact on the floor, and at the top, it again has anti-slip grip paper to help hold things in place. And of course, you get these notches on both sides for 2x4s. These notches are instrumental when it comes to pairing these sawhorses up in a stable way. Here I'm loading up plywood over the top to create a nice temporary workbench. With two of these all-metal heavy-duty sawhorses in the box for such a low price, it's simply an amazing value and I highly recommend them.